Two-time Olympic 100 meters champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce says breaking the 10.7-second barrier is still at the top of her desires before she leaves the track and field scene. Fraser-Pryce, who burst onto the scene by capturing the event at the 2008 Beijing Olympics, has a personal best of 10.70 seconds set in 2012. Even as she accepts that the 10.49 world record for the event is difficult to attain, the 33-year-old has lofty targets for the 2021 and the 2022 seasons.
There's still this breaking that 10.70 barrier. It's been a big challenge for me, and that's one thing. That's the goal. That's the goal for next year. You know, yes, I want to stand on top of the podium for sure, but I think also if I can run fast and do it, then yeah, I really want to run 10.6 or even 10.5, and I want to break the 22-second barrier from 200 and 121.
Fraser-Pryce, who has 9 individual medals between the Olympics and the World Championships, wants to cement her status in history after being showered with greatest ever sprinter praises.
I've heard it and I've seen persons speak about me being the greatest, and I'm like, wow, you know, it would be an honor, of course, you know, to have your name mentioned in those kind of conversations, you know. And what it does for me is just say, wow, you know, I never even knew I would be here, you know, winning these races and doing what I love. I never knew that this was gonna happen. So I'm humbled at the, you know, at the suggestion, and also excited for the next generation of young athletes, young female athletes to come.
Fraser-Pryce was speaking on the Olympic Channel recently.